Collard Greens TV. We're here today at Anchor Lawn and Garden store. I come in here today to pick up some Brussels sprout seeds, but I just kind of wanted you guys to see the store and where I buy most of my stuff at. As you guys see, I get my chemicals, I get any weed eaters, any 8 dust, 7 dust, fertilizers. All of that comes from Anchor. My dirt also comes from here. But I kind of just came in the store to pick up some Brussels sprout seeds today, so that's what I'm going to pick up, and I'll be showing you exactly what we're doing with those today. But again, it's Collard Greens TV. We'll be right back. As you guys see, they have a little bit of everything for your garden needs. It's not anything that they don't have that you would need for all your garden needs, for all your lawn and garden needs. If you need it, Anchor's got it. They also sell bulk dirt, bulk mulch, bulk rock. Again, it's Anchor Lawn and Garden in Mount Vernon, Illinois. Again, Anchor Lawn and Garden. It's the bulk seeds. As you see, they have every seed that you can imagine. Collard Greens TV. I just have returned from Anchor Lawn and Garden with the Brussels sprout seeds, and I have planted them. As you see, they're in the 6-compartment tray. Again, this is the first time that I've attempted to plant these. So any tips, any comments that you may have that you can help us out with, please leave in the comment section. Again, you can find us on Instagram at Collard Greens Gardening, on Facebook at Collard Greens Gardening, and we will have a Twitter account up in the next week or two here.